Just want to say thank you to the people that shop Amazon and enter Amazon through my link. And I just wanted to mention that there's two ways to get to my link. From now on, I'm going to pin the very first comment with my Amazon link here. And there's another way. You can just click here and go to my home channel. Let me shut this off. And over here in the top is my Amazon link right here. Click on that. It'll take you to Amazon. And you can order, anything you want. When you enter Amazon through my link, it is your account, but you just enter through my account. And you would search this, search like, for whatever you wanted, just like you would, on your own account. And, this says me up here, but if you entered through my account, this would say, you up there. And it would have all the things you've searched and bought and all that. And I just wanted to, number one, say thank you for the people that do shop Amazon through my link. And I wanted to let you know that there was, that from now on, I'm going to start pinning my link to the first comment. That's probably the easiest way to find it. And if you don't want to do that, you just click on my name and it'll take you to my home page. And the Amazon link is right there. Right there. Right there. Okay, my wife is sleeping. Let me shut this off. She did an early morning run and then came home. And she's sleeping. And I'm at the point where there's only been 2 days and she's exhausted. And I don't want my 68-year-old wife to work 12-hour days and to be tired. And I thought to myself this morning that there's nothing that we own that's worth being apart. My wife and I, we worked together almost since the day we got married. It wasn't long after we got married that I taught her to drive a truck, and we've been attached at the hip for 33 years. And having her go to work and me stay at home, the separation is not worth any possession we have. And the only real problem in our lives are the motorcycles. If we didn't have the motorcycles, we could pay our doctor bills. And if I didn't take such a huge beating on my YouTube channel, I was getting easily 3 times and dependably every month for years. I was getting 3 times the amount that I'm getting now. And I bought these motorcycles based on, what I consider to be steady, dependable income. And right after I bought my motorcycle is when my YouTube income took a nosedive. And I thought, well, a couple of months it'll probably come back. And it never did. It's been at that same 1/3 of what I usually get from YouTube. And so it wasn't a problem when I bought the motorcycles. I guess I'm trying to defend myself because I'm not an idiot. There's no way I would have bought these motorcycles if I had any inclination, any idea that my YouTube income would have taken such a steep nosedive and not come back. I mean, it does fluctuate. It always has fluctuated, small amounts, 100 or 200 up or more or less. And, before Christmas and after Christmas, it would be much higher because advertisers really go big time advertising. And I guess because the entire country's economy is suffering, even advertisers are not advertising to the degree that they were. I also think that Shorts and Instagram and Gab and TikTok and Rumble, they've all taken their little bite out of the monopoly that YouTube had on, this type of social media platform. And I'm not the only one. There's a lot of people that have suffered, extreme decline in their YouTube revenue, their advertising revenue. So, I basically just wanted to tell you thank you for shopping through my Amazon link, and there's the easy way to get to it. Either click on my name or look for the pinned comment. And from now on, I'm going to remember to pin the comment there. It's just easier to find. Thanks. See ya.